welcome to Wanies Academy. Today we're going to be learning about spelling with a focus on prefixes and suffixes, So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to do the following. The very first is to define prefixes and suffixes. The second is to identify prefixes and suffixes in words. The third is to form new words using prefixes and suffixes. And the fourth and final is to use words with prefixes and suffixes correctly in sentences. So meaning of prefixes and suffixes. Now, prefixes and suffixes are groups of letters added to words to change their meaning or form. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word. For examples, unhappy. On is added to happy to make it unhappy. Re is added to write to make it rewrite. Miss is added to behave to make it misbehave. This is added to connect to make it disconnect. Pre is added to view to make it preview. A suffix is added to the end of a word. For example, er is added to teach to make it teacher. Full is added to help to make it helpful. Ness is added to kind to make it kindness. Full or ly is added to care or careful to make it careful or carefully. And then able is added to wash to make it washable. And examples in sentences. Musa was unhappy because he missed the school bus. The teacher asked Ada to rewrite her essay. Do not misbehave during the morning assembly. The technician would disconnect the faulty generator. And then for suffixes, our teacher explained the lesson very well. Amina is always helpful to her classmates. The pupils thanked the boy for his kindness, and the driver crossed the road carefully. And let me separate that. I want to put these instances to highlight them. So teacher here, you see er is the suffix, helpful, ful is the suffix, the kindness, nees is the suffix, and ly is the suffix here. And then rules for using prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes are added to the beginning of the word. Suffixes are added to the end of words. Check the spelling after prefix or suffix. Use the new word according to its meaning. And then importance of prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes help learners to improve spelling, increase vocabulary, understand the meaning of new words, read and write more effectively. In summary, a prefix is added to the beginning of a word. A suffix is added to the end of a word. Prefixes usually change a word's meaning. Suffixes may change a word's meaning or word class. Learning prefixes and suffixes improves spelling and communication. And with that, we've come to the end of our lesson. Please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thank you, and goodbye for now.